Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sheila, and if you are new, welcome. And if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. For today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing slash review slash what fits in my purse. This is the Signature Coach Varsity Jaime Wristlet. I recently got this about 2 weeks ago. I bought this on clearance and it had additional savings, so I did pay $53.40 for this bag. And I just love it. As some of you guys know, I love buying purses. I just like collecting them. I really enjoy Coach Outlet just because I feel like they have really good quality purses and you can get some really great deals like this one. I thought that $53 for this bag was just a really great price, so that's why I decided to get it. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you what fits in here, a little review. So let's just go ahead and get started with this video. So first, let's talk about the color. As always, I always like to go for the signature look. I just love the dark brown and black signature colors that Coach Outlet has. And I loved this pink color because it's not like the other purse that I have, the Michael Kors bag, that has that baby pink looking color outline. This one is more of a dark pink, kind of like an orangey pink, and it really caught my eye, and I just like how it stands out with this signature print. They also had a white one with blue, and I thought that one was really cute too. But as me, I like to collect these types of purses, and I just always go for this type of print. So this is what it looks like, and the inside of it is just has regular fabric lining. It doesn't have that leather lining that some of the other purses has, and this one does have 2 card holders inside, and this is what it looks like. And it looks small, but you can actually fit a lot of things in here, so I'm gonna show you. So recently I've been using my wristlet with my purse that I just got from the thrift store. As some of you know, I just love purses and I'm always like changing them out. I feel like purses are kind of like shoes. You need different shoes for different outfits, and purses is one of the things that I just enjoy, and they make me happy. I don't know, I just looking for purses. I like buying them. But anyways, so yeah, this wristlet is obviously not gonna fit inside, so I do have the skinny card case. It looks like this. This one fits in here perfectly with like a lot of room inside. I do have this old iPhone. I don't remember which one this is, because I do record on my phone. So I do have like this old one that just doesn't work anymore. It does work with Wi-Fi, so that's why I still have it. But anyways, your phone fits in here perfectly. If I do take it to work, I do take my badge. So I have my badge that goes in there perfectly as well. I do carry a hand sanitizer that fits in as well, and my AirPods. I always have these with me, especially I take these to work because I always like to look at YouTube videos during my lunch slash break time. I do carry this Baby Lips lip balm that also goes in here, and I do have some gum. I recently finished my Invisalign treatment, and I probably shouldn't be chewing the gum, but I have been obsessed with gum lately again because it has been like so long since I've chewed gum. Yeah, and so your gum fits in here also. So this is what it looks like. So your gum, your hand sanitizer, your AirPods, your wallet, your phone. Everything fits in here. If you don't want your AirPods or your badge or your gum, you can also put a small little like hand lotion if you prefer. And I just like how you are able to fit like a lot of things, and you are able to zip it up really well. So this is what it looks like, and it's really, I just like how it's not like heavy at all. I like that you can just hold it like this in your arm, or you can just carry it like this. Like if you're going out somewhere, you can carry it out like that. And I just think it is the cutest little purse ever. I do have other wallets that I want to show you in case you have some of these wallets. So I'm going to be taking everything out of here. Let's see. I do have the Coach coin wallet that looks like this. And it's, of course, this is going to fit in here because it is a little wallet. But I also have the penny, what is this? Penny coin wallet. It looks like this. Now this one does fit in here, so if you want to use that wallet in here, it does fit. The only one that did not fit was obviously the wristlet. And I do have this Michael Kors kind of like medium-sized wallet. It looks like this. Sometimes I use it. And this one also fits in here. So if you have one of those Coach maybe I forgot the name of them, they kind of look like this size, but if you have a size that kind of looks like this, it does fit perfectly in here like that. You might not have as much room for all your other things, but at least your wallet fits in there. So yeah, I really like this purse, and the reason why I wanted to get this one is because I already have, let me show you. I already had this purse. I forgot what this is called. I will be putting the name down below. But basically, I love this little purse. I use this purse all the time just because of the size of it. And I use this when I go like grocery shopping and things like that. And I love this purse. The only negative thing that I have to say about it is not as much stuff fits in here because of the shape, the dome shape. So let me show you. So if I use this, I can only fit like my phone in there. Of course I can fit my wallet, but now I don't have that much space. And if I try to put everything like the hand sanitizer, my AirPods, my gum, like, see, it's already full now, and I still don't have my badge or my gum in there. So even though this one seems like it can fit, you know, a lot of things, it actually kind of doesn't, just because of the shape of it. So with this one, because it's longer, as far as like it's wider this way, you are able to fit a lot more things in here, especially more like travel size things. So that's why when I saw it, I wanted to get it, because even though I like this one and this one I'm still gonna use, of course, I wanted something else just in case I wanted to carry a little bit more things. Like this one is good for when I go grocery shopping, when I just need like my wallet and my keys and my phone. I like this one better because recently we went to Georgia Aquarium, and I was able to take this with me, and I was able to carry my hand sanitizer, my lotion, my lip balm, of course my gum. And so I was just able to fit a lot more things in this than this one. So yeah, I prefer this one over this one as far as sizing. And this is what the size looks like. It looks like they actually look like they're the same size, but because this shape is like wider and just up, a lot more things fit in here. So yeah, I really enjoyed this little purse. I wish it had the little, like a little bag slit, kind of like this one does. Some purses have like the little bag slit where you can like put your phone. If it had that little slit right there where you can actually fit your phone, and then just have all this space for just your wallet and any extra things. I think this would be just so much better, but of course I still like it anyways. I think for $53 to get it on clearance was such a good buy, and highly, you know, recommend this little purse if you are looking for just a smaller little bag that you can just carry your essentials. And if you don't like just hanging right here, it doesn't really like, you know, go up on your shoulder. If you want to buy a purse extender, then I saw some on Amazon that were really cute that you can get if you want to put one of those. The only bad thing about this is that you cannot change the handle because this is sewn in here. This one detaches, it has the little clip, but this one does not. That's the only like thing that I didn't like about it, because I immediately went to Amazon to see if I could buy like a longer strap, and I had a hard time finding one just because this color seems to be not like a normal pink color, because the colors that I saw on Amazon were more of like a lighter pink, and so I did have a hard time finding anything that matched this color. And then also I did, you know, I was like, what if I use a different strap and just leave this on or tear this off? But I was like, no, I'm just not gonna mess with it. I like how it is. I can carry it like this way or carry it this way and it's fine. And so for $53, you cannot beat it. I mean, it's leather, the quality is there. So yeah, and I just think this is what the bottom looks like. And yeah, I was really happy with my purchase. That is it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you like these types of videos, don't forget to subscribe down below. You can follow me on Instagram just for daily life updates, things like that. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and hopefully I will see you in my next one. Bye.